manager ng Ultra. Naniningil ng bayad. Kumaya na lang. Sabi ko, I assure that we will pay. I will talk to you. I will pay. Itong droga. Ako ganito na lang. Para simple. If you believe in Bicoy, kindly vote for the Otso Diretso. Pag may niwala kayo, doon kayo. If you want a country of inutil, mga duwag, ayan, ang mangyayari sa gobyerno ninyo. In the so many years, may nakita ba kayo na people who are addicted to drugs surrendering in thousands, and at the end of the day, I see a beautiful woman looking at